Is your AI giving you garbage answers? You're probably missing out on this one trick. It's called chain of thought prompting. I asked AI if 47 is a prime number. It replied yes, but I missed something in this reply. There was no reasoning. And that's what makes me feel it just guessed. And sometimes guessing can be wrong. This time I added just four words: think step by step. And watch how AI completely transformed. Now it started breaking down logic to me, just like a math teacher would. We all know AI doesn't have its own brain. So, how does it think? It actually doesn't think. It starts making use of more pattern recognitions and showcases every step of this pattern matching ability to you. All right. So, it builds each step with context for the next step. It's like mandatory scratch work. Now, the question comes when to use this technique. Either when you're solving a maths equation, or you're coding, or you have some decisions to take, or there is some analysis involved. Mostly, these are the situations where how matters equally to the answer itself. So, I'll give you three different techniques you can use whenever you are going to ask questions around these areas. Number one, explain step by step. Number two, explain your reasoning. Number three, show your work. Go try it right now. Think about any complex question, ask AI to think step by step for any complex question you have, and watch it do magic. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to control your outputs. See you then. For more bite sized tech explainer like these, like, share, follow, and subscribe.